So you put your pieces on here, load it in, and then you put this on, turn the valve like that, straight up and down. Turn the pump on.
Okay.
Now you need to let the pump run for 2 minutes, say.
Okay.
So
we'll do that.
We'll time that. This thing's leaking somewhere, and I don't know where.
Is that what you needed at?
Yeah, but it's still leaking. I still don't know where. Do you have a screwdriver? Try to tighten these. I don't know.
Yeah.
I doubt that's it. But snow.
Flathead or
flat? Yeah. It's too small, I think. Let's turn it a little bit. I don't want to tighten it too much and break the glass off. Is it even on the damn glass? Okay, so we're at about a minute.
A minute, yeah.
Okay, well, let's just give it a shot. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to turn the valve this way. So the arrow pointing towards this thing. And then just crack this, just, you know, 1/8 of a turn, something like that.
Okay.
Just barely crack it.
Okay.
Okay.
And its original position is completely closed.
Yeah, and you can just leave it open like this if you want.
Alright.
You don't actually have to close it, but I think Emma usually does.
Alright.
And then turn the power on and wait to see the glow. And it usually takes a few seconds for the glow to come on. Which is why I think it's leaking. Okay, there's the glow.
The glow's on.
So 20 to 30 seconds.
Okay, so that's okay. I'm counting I'm looking at the camera and counting 30 seconds.
Okay.
And what is that doing right now? That is actually covalent. That's doing the plasma thing right now?
That's the plasma, yeah.
Okay.
So this is the actual...
This is the process.
This is the active part of it. Okay, so it looked like about 20 seconds.
Okay.
So now I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to turn the pump off. Open this by turning it the other way. So that's just open. And then you take your pieces out and stick them together. And then I would bake them.
Bake them for how long?
Like an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
At what temperature? 100?
So I would do it at like 120
okay.
C. So like here.
Okay.
Or you can do it on the hot plate if you like. Doesn't matter really.
Oh, really? Doesn't matter?
No.
Okay. Cool.
For PDMS, if it's thick, I would prefer the oven.
So something like this, frankly.
Yeah, I mean, it actually doesn't matter what the top is like, but if the bottom is this thick, then I would, like, if you got two pieces like this, I would use the oven.
Alright, cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go laser cut these things and see what happens.
Alright.
Cool.